Okay, so this is where we at. We only have one baby left. She's right there, or he. We have this one here. She already attached to the wall. I don't know why she didn't make it all the way to the top. She just said, this is good enough and this is where I'm gonna go. Now she's in J form, even though it doesn't look like it, but she is in J form. And pretty soon she's gonna be crystallized. We have those. We have all of these ones. They're looking more darker and cute. Can't wait to see them all coming out and flying and doing all the things. We also have this one over here. The only one that decided to do it on the pot. But I'm also excited to see how she's gonna look when she turns darker. And I can see the wings. And then when she gets out, I think you can kind of see something. Let me see if I can. Let me see. Let me see. Focus. Let me see if it's gonna focus. You can kind of see right there, right? Like the wing forming. It's so cute. And if I stay here a long time, it's sometimes it wiggles. Like she's moving inside. Well, can't wait.